Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to make a UV resin starfish. This is going to be my first attempt trying to do an ocean wave theme, I guess. I've never made waves before and I'm going to try it in a starfish. I'm not sure this is the best shape to be trying it in. Maybe I should try it in a flat coaster mold or something. Not really sure, but we're going to give it a try and see what happens. I think the key to this is layering the UV resin and curing it. So I'm going to put down a thin layer of UV resin, clear, pop the bubbles, and I'm going to put some little pearls in it and some iridescent star-shaped glitter in there. And I'm going to pop that in under the UV light, and after it's cured, move on to my next layer here. I'll put in a few more pearls and a few more pieces of that iridescent star glitter. I'm also going to add in some shell pieces that I got from Michael's. I wish I had used colored shells in this instead. They're kind of hard to see. We are going to roll with this. It is an experiment after all. First time me trying to do a beach scene with waves. So this is all an experiment. Put a little more UV resin down, pop that little bubble in there. I do love the shimmer on these pieces though. They are very pretty. Just wrong color choice, I think. I'll pop that under the UV light, put in some more resin, pop those bubbles, rinse and repeat. Now it's time for the best part of the project, glitter. I am taking some gold glitter. I'm going to add it into my cup, a few scoops, not too much. I don't want to overdo it. I mean, I do want to overdo it, but I can't overdo it on this project. So I'm putting in a little glitter. I'm going to add in some sand. Now, I don't live near a beach, so the only access to sand I have is through Home Depot. So I have got a bag of play sand that we used on something else around the house. I don't know. It was just a leftover bag. So I confiscated it, and it is now my craft sand. So I'm going to add it into my glitter. I'm going to mix that up good. Stir it around, and you could see the little sparkles of glitter coming through. And so I thought it would make the sand, I don't know, more dimensional, sparkly. I don't know. I just thought it would give it a little something extra. So that's all stirred up. I'm going to add in my UV resin and mix that up as well. I'm going to throw down some blue UV resin quick to give it a shoreline. And while that's curing, I'm going to stir in my UV resin into my sand, get that consistency the way I think it should be. Like I said, I haven't done this before, so I'm just winging it, see what works. All right, now that I have all my sand mixed up, I am going to start placing that in the bottom of the starfish to try to establish my beach. As I start laying down my sand, I realized the beach has nothing on it. It is going to be a bare beach. So I put down a few little pearls, tried to sneak them in there underneath the sand. Oh no, probably should have put some shell down there. I don't know. Now I'm going to lay down some white UV resin, try to establish some waves. I take my straw and I give it a blow, trying to get ripples. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't think it looks like waves. It just looks like a white patch. So I cure that up quick. Put some more UV resin down, layer up, put in a few more pearls and shells, cure, a little bit more iridescent star-shaped glitter, and cure that up, and we'll see what happens. I didn't think it had enough glitter, so I took some blue glitter. It really matched the water pretty well. Mixed it in with some UV resin, gave that a stir, and I put it over my water section. I think it helped. Give it a little bit of sparkle. Water's supposed to sparkle and shimmer, right? Then I thought, how about if I add some more sand? That way I could go over that wave white line and it'll look like it's crashing over the sand and not just dividing the sand in the water. So I did that, threw it in, cured it up, and here we go. We're going to take it out and see what we got. All right, moment of truth. Okay. Not too bad. Definitely not what I had envisioned. But it is my first try. Okay, so if anyone has any tips or tricks, I'd highly appreciate them. Please let me know what I'm doing wrong here, and I will try it again. Here's a few pictures for you. And thanks for watching.